In this video I'm going to show you how to insert a chart in the Numbers app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. I already have a document. From here we can either click on chart here and then select a chart from these options. As you can see, a lot of very nice charts. We also have 3D versions as well, and then we have interactive charts too. Let's see a simple 2D chart. Here we can add the cells that add data to this chart, and then we can click on done. And here, if we enter some numbers into the cell, it's going to create some changes on the chart. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.